Sony Electronics is setting a new benchmark for immersive three-dimensional experiences with its ELF-SR2, 27-inch and ELF-SR1, 15.6-inch spatial reality displays and the NVIDIA Omniverse development platform. The combination of Sony's three-dimensional display technology and Omniverse's real-time three-dimensional design and simulation capabilities is poised to revolutionize industries from gaming and entertainment to architecture, engineering and automotive design without the need for virtual reality headsets or special glasses. With Sony's spatial reality display and the new NVIDIA Omniverse, creators can now experience real-time rendering like never before. NVIDIA. Omniverse is a platform of application programming interfaces, software development kits, and services that enable developers to combine universal scene description, OpenUSD, and NVIDIA RTX rendering technologies into existing software tools. By connecting OpenUSD-based applications developed on NVIDIA Omniverse with Sony's spatial reality display, creators can instantly view and manipulate their three-dimensional assets in real time. This allows creators to turn their digital designs into holographic-like experiences, giving them the freedom to explore all aspects of their work from every angle, no extra hardware required. With Sony's spatial reality display and NVIDIA Omniverse, we're empowering creators to push the boundaries of what's possible in three-dimensional design and visualization, says Toshi Suzuki, Deputy Head of Incubation Center, Sony Corporation. From architecture to entertainment, our customers can now bring their ideas to life in vivid, true-to-life three-dimensional, without any extra hardware. This is next-level immersion. Spatial reality displays offer an intuitive and efficient way for creators to innovate and interact with three-dimensional content, says Greg Jones, Director of Extended Reality Business Development at NVIDIA. Sony's connection to OpenUSD and Omniverse into its ELF-SR displays ensures assets can be rendered in real time, enhancing experiences and accelerating workflows across industries.